This is it, Daryl. 1 lap to go, and Lightning McQueen has a huge lead.
Oh, he's got it in the bag. Call in the dogs, put out the fire. We're gonna crown us a new champion. Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen has blown a tire!
And with only 1 turn to go, can he make it? You fool!
McQueen's blown a tire! McQueen's blown a tire! Go, 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 go! He's lost another tire! The King and Chick are coming up fast!
They're entering turn 3.
Come on! I don't believe what I'm watching, Bob! Lightning McQueen is 100 feet from his piston cup!
The King and Chick rounding turn 4.
And down the stretch they come, and
It's too close to call.
I don't believe it! I don't believe it!
The most spectacular, amazing, unequivocally unbelievable ending in the history of the world! And we don't even know who won!
Hey, no cameras! Get out of here!